In this video, we will show you the design preview library in the 3D Changer car configurator. These designs come from the Wrapstock marketplace, and if you choose one in 3D Changer, you can buy its print data for an affordable price. The design library is available in both the free and full versions of 3D Changer. To get started, simply select a car. For example, we will use this one and set the base color as black. Then go to Designs and then to Wrapstock. Click on the design preview you would like to see and it will start downloading. It should only take a few seconds, and once the download is complete, it will be saved in your 3D Changer. With over 300 design previews in the library, you are sure to find the perfect one for you or your client. If your client is interested in seeing a design on a specific part of the car, go to the Select Parts, choose the part you want, and apply the design. To select all parts, click on the Select All icon or go back by clicking on this button again. By default, wrap designs have a glossy finish, but you can change this. Go to the Design Editor, Finish, and adjust the amount of matte, metallic, or clear coat finish. A value of 0 means a glossy finish, 1 means a matte finish, and values around 0.2 for satin. The same principle applies to metallic finishes, with 0 being plastic and 1 being complete chrome. You can also change the colors of the design. To adjust the position of the design stripes on the car, click on the Transform button. Select the part to adjust, then edit its horizontal or vertical position, rotation, or scale. If you like a design, you can get its print data. Select the design and click on the car icon in the top right corner. This will take you to the Wrapstock marketplace, where you can buy the print data. And that's it for this video. You will find the link to download 3D Changer and the link to the Wrapstock marketplace in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for your support.